This is the lecture number 6 for the chapter permutation and combination, and we are discussing the third exercise, and we have done up to question number 6 in the last lecture. Now in question number 7 you have to select a cricket team and it consists of 11 pairs, and in that cricket team 4 should be a bowler and 17 out of 17 you have to select 11, and out of 17 there are 5 bowlers. So in a team you have to select 4 bowlers, and it means remaining, that is 7 players you have to select out of the remaining 12 players. So you have to select first of all 4 bowlers out of 5. There are 5 bowlers in 17 persons, so you can select 4 bowlers out of 5 bowlers in the combination of 4 ways. 5 bowlers you have to select 4 out of them. Now you have to select 11%. So it means you have 4 already have selected. So it means you have to select the remaining 7 non-bowlers out of 12 non-bowlers. 17 persons are there, out of them 5 are bowler. So remaining from the remaining 12 you have to select the remaining 7 players, that is combination of 12 and 7. 4 bowlers, 7 non-bowlers. 5 bowlers, out of them you have to select 4 bowlers, and 12 non-bowlers persons are there, and you have to select 7 non-bowler from them, combination of 12 and 7. Total 11 has been selected. So total number of ways is combination of 5-4 into combination of 12-7. Question number 8 is easy. You have to select 2 black balls out of 5 and 3 red balls out of 6. So combination of 5-2 into combination of 6-3. It is an easy question. In question number 9, a student had to select 5 courses or a subject in which 2 are compulsory, and there are total 9 courses. So it means out of 9, 2 are compulsory. 2 are compulsory. So it means the student have to select the remaining 3 from the remaining 7 subjects, because out of 9, 2 are compulsory. So remaining 7 subjects are optional. So from the remaining 7 optional subject he has to select 3 optional subject, that is combination of 7 and 3. So this is the way you can do this question number 9. It is an easy question. Now in question number, we are starting with the miscellaneous exercise, and there's a good questions in this exercise also, in which in some questions permutation combination both will be used, as in question number 1. In question number 1, there is a word daughter, in which you have to make the words 5-letter words, in which 2 should be vowels and 3 should be non-vowels. So that is consonants. So it means in the word daughter there are 3 vowels, A, U and E, and there are 5 consonant in this remaining 5. So you have to make a word in which it should contain 2 vowels and 3 consonants. So it means first of all you have to select 2 vowels out of 3, combination of 3, 2, and you have to select 3 consonant out of 5, that is combination of 5, 3. So these are selection of 5 alphabets, out of which 2 are vowel and 3 are consonant, that is non-vowels. Now 5 alphabet have been selected. Now you have to make a word. Word means arrangement. So it means you have to arrange them. How many words you have to arrange? Alphabets you have to arrange, that is 5. So it will be permutation of 5, 5. So first of all you select 2 vowel out of 3 vowel, then you select 3 consonant out of 5 consonant, then the 5 alphabet have been selected. Now you have to make the word out of them. It means you have to arrange them, and arrangement means permutation. So permutation of 5, 5. So combination as well as the permutation. Now in question number 2, there is a word equation, in which it had been asked how many words are there in which all vowels and all consonants should be together, all vowels and all consonant. Now this type of question you have done in the previous exercise also. Now because you have to make a word in which all vowels should be there, so I've taken this all vowels and all consonant together and arranged them, considering them as a single unit 1, 2. So they can be arranged themselves in a permutation of 2 ways. Permutation 2 way, I have made 2 groups, one of the vowel and one of the constant. They can be arranged them in permutation of 2 ways. Now these 5 vowels can arrange themselves in permutation of 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They can also arrange themselves. And these 3 consonants also can arrange themselves in permutation of 3 ways. 1, 2, 3. So first of all arrange as a group, permutation of 2 2. Now arrange vowel as a themselves, arrange themselves, permutation of 5 5. Arrange this, consonants can be arranged in permutation of three ways. The total number of words in which of the word equation in which all vowels and all consonant together is permutation of 2 2 into permutation of 5 5 into permutation of 3 3. You know how to solve this permutation by using the formula. Now in question number 3, there is a committee you have to make in which it is a long question, so be very careful. We have 9 boys and 4 girls. In the first case, you have to select 3 girls and 4 boys. So it is a simple question in which you can select 3 girls out of 4 and 4 boys out of 9. 3 girls out of 4 and 4 boys out of 9. You can select in combination of 4 3, combination of 9 4 and multiply it. There are total number of ways in which you can select 3 girls and 4 boys, 3 girls out of 4 and 4 boys out of 9. In the second part, you have to select a team of 7 in which at least 3 girls should be there. So you have to make a committee of 7 in which at least 3 girls should be there. So if it means at least 3 girls means it can be 3 girls or 4 girls, because we have only 4 girls. So a committee can have 3 or 4 girls. So if we have 3 girls, then you have to select 4 boys, or when you are taking 4 girls, then you have to select only 3 boys. Or when there is an odd word, it means there are different cases, so we have to put a plus sign. And if there is an and word, this and this, then it means a multiplication. So in first case, you can select 3 girls and 4 boys. In the second case, you can select 4 girls and 3 boys. So 3 girls can be selected out of 4, 4 boys can be selected out of 9, 4 girls can be selected out of 4, and 3 boys can be selected out of this 9. So these are the total number of ways, and a plus sign we have here, plus sign we have here, because when in different cases it will be plus. Now in the third part, see it very carefully. In a committee should have at most 3 girls, not more than 3. So because we have to make a committee of 7, so it can have 0 girls and 7 boys. In at most means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 3 girls, so 0 girls 7 boys can be there, or 1 girl 6 boys can be there, or 2 girls 6 boys can be there, or 3 girls 4 boys can be there. There are 4 cases, first, second, third or fourth. In at utmost word is there, then we have to start with 0. 0 girl 7 boys can be there in a committee of 7, 1 girl or 6 boys can be there in a committee of 7, and like this. So 0 girl you can select from 4, 7 boys you can select from 9, 1 girl you can select from 4, 6 boys you can select from 9, 2 girls you can select from 4, 5 boys you can select from 9, 3 girls you can select from 4, and 4 boys you can select from 9, and plus sign should be there when there is a different cases, and like this. So it is a long question, so be very careful with this question. In question number 4, there is a word examination, and you have to arrange them as the words are arranged in a dictionary. So you have to find how many words are there before the letter of the word E starts. So it means when you have to arrange them according to a dictionary, then the word should start first of all with A. So when a word is starting with A, that at the first position the word should be, alphabet should be A, and the remaining alphabets like E, X, M, I, N, they have to be arranged, because all have them to be arranged. So it will be a permutation of remaining 10 alphabets. 11 alphabets are there starting with A. So remaining 10 can be arranged in permutation of 10 10, in which T is repeating, rather N is repeating 2 times and I is repeating 2 times. So it should be divided by factorial 2. So it is coming out to be 9027200. Now after that, the word should start with B, but alphabet B is not there in this word. So there is no alphabet, no word starting with B. Then you have to find the word starting with C. Again, there is no alphabet, no alphabet, B here, C here. So it means no word is starting with C before the letter. Then the word starting with D, 0, because there is no alphabet D here. And before the letter E only up to we have D alphabets. Alphabet D is there before E, so only these words are be there before the word E starts, that is 90720. Now you can make the word, how many words are there starting with E, but we don't have to need it because we have to find the word before E. Now in question number 5, you have to make a 6 letter 6-digit number and it should be divisible by 10, and you have to use only these digits 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Only we have to use these, and it should be divisible by 10. Now, because the number should be divisible by 10, so we have to be 0 at the unit place. 0 at the unit place. So the number of ways to fill up the unit place is only 1. This. And the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places can be arranged by 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Permutation of 5, 5, that is 120. So total number of 6-digit number divisible by 10 should be is 120, because the first unit place should be 0, because should be divisible by 10. The unit place should be 0. So there is only one way to fill up the unit place, that is 1, and the remaining 5 can be arranged with the permutation of 5, 5. Question number 6 also contains permutation combination. You have to make a 4-letter word containing 2 vowels and 2 consonants. So it means we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. So first of all, select 2 vowels out of 5, then select 2 consonants out of 21. Now you have selected 4 alphabets and you have to make a word of them. Should be permutation of 4, 4, because 4 alphabets you have selected and you have to make a word of them. So it means you have to arrange them permutation of 4, 4. So combination of 5, 2, selected 2 vowel, combination 21, 2, select 2 consonant and arrange them permutation of 4, 4. So this is a total number of ways in which you can make letter of the word 2 consonant and 2 vowels out of 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Now in question number 7, there is a question paper in which a question student have to do 8 questions and at least 3 questions from each section. And in the section 1 we have 5 questions, and in the section 2 we have 7 questions. See it very carefully, read the question very carefully from your book. And he have to do at least 3 questions from each section, and he has to do 8 questions. So first case is he can do 3 questions from the first, then he have to do 5 questions from the second. In the second case, he can do 4 questions from the first, and then he has to do 4 questions from the second section, because he have to do 8 questions. Or he can do 5 questions from the first section, and then you have to do 3 questions from the second section. So you have to make a selection, and because different cases are there or odd word is there, so you have to make a plus sign here. So you can select 3 questions out of first out of 5, 5 questions from the second section out of 7 questions in the section B, and like this you can select. In question number 8, you have done this in previous exercise also. Then 52 cards, you have to select 5 cards, and out of those 5, 1 should be a king. So you can select 1 king out of 4 and 4 non-kings out of 48. Now in question number 9, there are 5 men and 4 women. You have to arrange them in a sitting arrangement, and it is given that the woman should occupy the odd places. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places are there. For the women, even places should be arranged. Women should be at the even places. The even place, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 even places. So women have to be arranged in even places in permutation of 4, 4. Arrangement is there, so it is a permutation of 4, 4. 4 places are there and 4 women have to be arranged. Remaining places can, on the remaining places, men can be arranged. The places, remaining places are 5, and 5 men have to be arranged in permutation of 5, 5. The total number of ways is permutation of 4, 4 into permutation of 5, 5. In question number 10, you have to make a selection of 10 students out of a 25 for excursion party, and there is a condition that there are 3 students. If they either all of them will go or neither all of them will go. So how many ways you can make a selection? Now there are 2 cases. If 3 students are decided that they will go, that it means from the remaining 22 students you have to select 7. Because you have to select 10 students, 3 are going, so it means remaining 7 students you can select from the remaining 22. So the first case is you can make the selection combination of 22 and 7. In the second case, if the 3 particular student are not going, decided that they will not go, so it means you have to select 10 from the remaining 22. 10 from the remaining 22, because out of 25, 3 are not going, so you have to select 10 out of 22. So total number of ways, combination of 22 into combination of 22, 7, plus combination of this the plus sign will be there, combination of 22 and 10, अलग अलग cases में plus will be there. So in question number 11 there is a word assassination, and you have to make how many words are there in which all S should not all S to be together. So all S together 1 2 3 to let up them as a one alphabet. This type of question we have already done. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, permutation of 10 10 divided by 3 because A is repeating 3 times, divided by 2 factorial, N is repeating 2 times, divided by 2 factorial because I is repeating 2 times. So, and the 4 alphabets S can arrange them in permutation of 4 4 divided by factorial 4. The total arrangement will be this into this. You are getting this. So this is the completion of the chapter permutation and combination, in which we have done the difference between permutation and combination. Okay, best of luck. Thank you.